What's up, guys? Look at this news. I wouldn't doubt if it's real or not. Especially, looking back at all of how much ancient Egypt was into even genetic mutations or whatever you want to call it, manipulation. Just look at all their, stuff back in the day, all their pictures, and I mean, just even stuff like this. I mean, But anyway, this is interesting news. It says the pharaohs of ancient Egypt were alien hybrids. New genetic studies suggest. A new genetic study suggests the lineage of Egyptian pharaohs are subject to willful genetic manipulation. Yeah, but this is their theory by technological advanced civilization. I call them fallen angels, but someone called this definitive proof that the builders of the pyramids had a strong connection with beings that originated elsewhere in the universe. Yet they sure did. Probably call it the heavens of the fallen angels. But anyway, it says Stuart Fleshman of Swiss University in Cairo did a 7-year study, and they did a study of brain and all this stuff for the mummies, I guess. And it says 8 out of the 9 samples returned interesting but typical results. The 9th sample belonged to Tutankhamun. A small fragment of the brain tissue. This goes back. It says what they did. It appears that this increased activity and the genome would suggest that a higher cranial capacity because of a housed a larger cortex. But what mutation would have caused a human to grow? We have yet to discover such techniques, despite years of breakthroughs in genetics. And it says, could this 3,300-year-old evidence point to ancient genetic manipulation? And like I said, you can go back to even all their stuff. I mean, Anubis. I mean, you name it. I mean, I know y'all seen hundreds of videos of all this stuff, all their beliefs, just you name it. But yeah. But anyway, this goes down. Does this suggest that Akhenaten, one of ancient Egypt's most mysterious pharaohs, was subjected to genetic modification during his life? A lot of interesting stuff in this article, but I mean, look at it. If this study is correct, it will trigger an unprecedented paradigm shift of aliens were actively involved in the life of most powerful individuals 1,000 years ago. Does it mean they'll return? Well, you know what was it Peter, as in the days of Noah?